So I went fishing in the Ohio River today. I still am fishing, but I tossed my cast net around. I caught a bunch of little fish. This is about a 7-inch freshwater drum. There's a bunch of those in there, but here he is. Nothing huge. Now we're gonna toss him back. There he goes. There's like 4 of these. They're about the same size. Freshwater drum. Here's the 4th one. There's a teeny tiny little one. There's 3 little tiny channel catfish. They're like 2 inches long. They're really small. Toss them back. Here's one. Oh no. We'll let them grow. Here's another one. There he goes. Here's the last one. And that's it for my cast net. Let's see if I can catch anything on my poles.